If you want to download this photo, you can find the link in the description. Select the rectangle tool. Select shape. Make the fill color white. And select no color for the stroke. Make a rectangle that covers the entire photo. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the rectangle layer. Make the fill color of this rectangle black. Press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Lower the width to 98%. The height should also be 98% now. Select both rectangle layers. Right-click on them and select Rasterize Layers. Right-click on them again and select Merge Layers. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Lower the width to 96%. The height should also be 96% now. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to create more lines. Select all the rectangle layers. Right-click on them and select Merge Layers. Change the blending mode to Screen. And that's how you create a frame with multiple lines.